Hey kings and queens, we're back with a quick and absolutely amazing recipe. So this is how you make the Seamoss gel. You bring 2 cups of water to a rapid boil. Next, you're going to wash your sea moss, make sure all that debris is out of there. Then you're going to add it to your boiled water, turn off the heat, let it steep for 4 minutes. After that, add it to your blender, let it blend until it's nice and smooth. Oh my god, look at all the electric goodness right there. Wow. Next, blend it, blend. So sea moss is really good for acne. It's good for thyroid. It has 92 mineral. It is a powerhouse and a must-have for everyone. After it's nice and smooth, add a little bit of water, maybe half a cup, and then blend again. And then store in a nice mason jar. Make sure you put some holes on top of this mason jar so that way the sea moss can breathe and it can last for up to 2 weeks. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Be sure for more recipes, and if you would like to try our sea moss, check it out at www.foodforniggas.com. Thank you all for your support and have a fantastic evening or morning wherever you are. Peace.